Once you've established the external walls, now you can do two things. You want to create internal walls, you can create the roof, and we'll look at creating the internal walls first. Essentially, with the internal wall, as you can see, as I hover over that line, it all lights up. We need to explode it first. So as with all AutoCAD commands, if you select an item first and then start the command, you don't actually have to go through the selection and ending selection process. So I just type in explode, and now it's exploded. If I hover over a line, it's just a single line. I'm going to zoom in this corner, make sure, yep, I got the right one. You should zoom in when you're going to explode it. I just wanted to show you with an overall first. Essentially, creating the internal walls depends really using the offset command. So the line of this wall here is 3030 away from the internal line. So offset 3030. And the wall start is 90, so I'll end offset command hitting the spacebar. I'll restart it hitting the spacebar, and I'll type in 90. There's my internal wall. Okay, it lines up. Wall that's there. This room here, the dimension is 3650, so restart offset 3650. This line, it's already there to that side. T. The corridor, or where the door will be, is a meter wide, so offset 1000. This side to this side. Offset again 90. The wardrobe that would normally fit in these indentations is 600 from the inside line of that room. Offset 600. Okay. But the wall thickness is up from that internal line. Offset 90. Yeah, up. Okay. Now you could use the trim command, or you can use the fillet command very quickly. So fillet, again, not setting any radius. Can do that line and that line. Restart it with the spacebar. This line with this line. Okay. Fillet command shouldn't be used for something like this because I'm losing the rest of the wall that I want. So I'm going to undo that and trim, hitting it twice, trim to everything, and just trim out what I want. Okay. So that's I can now create this room up here, and it's 4150, offset 4150. This line on this side. Whoa. And keep offsetting all the way through. I'll just trim that and hitting spacebar twice where it's got the select all, as noted here. Everything becomes something to trim to. It's much easier. Okay, I don't know if there were some gaps there. No, okay. Cool. So you can go through and create all of the external walls inside the room. Okay.